they knew they could not tell whether it were angels or the bright stars a-singing. Tallness in my eyes, it was starry music, the singing of the angels, the comfort of our Lord, words of old that come a-traveling through the riches of the times. And I softly listened as I stood upon the hill, and I softly listened as I stood upon the hill.
Oh boy, I'm Bugsy. Hello, Kylie. Okay. Hey guys. Oh boy, I'm Maxie Boo. Maxie Boo. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so what do you got for me? What do you got for me? Here you go, sweetheart. Here you go. Good girl. Oh, Xavier, you scared her. Here you guys go. Hi. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, boy. Here you go. Yum, yum, yum.